So boom, how y'all doing? Hopefully y'all are staying cool and y'all are staying safe. I'm back at y'all again with another one, and it is a nail video, and it is a dip powder review from Azure Beauty. Y'all know Azure Beauty has the dip powder game on lock. I will admit, any dip powder kit that I receive from them is just, the quality is insane. The way that the powders are finely milled, even the glitters, everything is just A1. Like Azure Beauty, like y'all do y'all big one every time when it comes down to dip powder nails. So I'm showing y'all all the dip powders that come in this nail kit, and it's basically all just neutrals, like pinky neutrals, and that's something that a lot of people are into. Y'all are into pinky nudes, or at least the people that I do know, they're into pinky nudes. I'm showing y'all my primer and my dehydrator. It's not from Azure Beauty, it's from Model Ones, but if you want your nails to last, you need to make sure that you have you some dehydrator and nail primer. That is something that is a must when it comes down to making sure that your nails last. Not just dip powder nails, but even your press-ons, your acrylics, your polygels. You need to make sure that you are using a dehydrator and a primer. And I am going through and I'm showing y'all how I am placing the powder on each nail. And again, just like in all my other videos, I told y'all that I got this technique of placing a strip in the middle of the nail to kind of build it up before I go all over the nail. I got this technique from the one and the only, the GOAT in the nail game, and that is Long Hair Pretty Nails. If y'all have not checked out her channel, you have got to be living under a rock somewhere, because the girl gets down when it comes to nails. Not just dip powder nails, but polygel nails, acrylic nails, all the above. I actually learned about polygel from her, you guys. That's a fun fact. But I am going through and I'm using a couple of colors out of this nail kit because I want y'all to get a, range of the different colors that come in the kit. And plus, me personally, I never can really keep my hands one color. Like right now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 different nail polish colors on my nails right now. Of course, this is a pre-recorded video that I am getting out to you guys. So please, y'all, like the video. Please thumbs up, leave a comment. Even if, matter of fact, I want y'all to start leave blue hearts down below. Blue hearts and brown hearts down below. Put me in the algorithm, y'all. I know that sometimes I slack when it comes down to making videos, especially the long form videos, but yeah, I'm trying to get back right. I promise you, I'm going to get back right when it comes down to doing videos. Just bear with me, please, baby. Lots been going on. Life has been life, and just bear with me. Don't give up on me. Bear with me. So I feel like I've been talking for a long time, so I'm going to shut up and let y'all see me finish doing a process of these nails, because like I said, baby, I've been talking. Talking. So all the powder has been laid. Now I'm going in with the activator just to make sure that the powder and the glue is set. Because once you start filing into your nails, you guys, you do not want to hit any of the gummy areas, because it will cause those dips in your nails that are really, really ugly. The little craters that some people have in their nails after their nails get done. and it messes up your nail files. So I like to saturate each nail with some of this activator. I like to make sure that every nook, every cranny of the nail gets some of that activator on it. And once it gets that activator, I'm going to go in and I'm going to file it. But again, this step is very crucial in doing your dip powder nails, because you want to make sure that you don't get any gummy areas. And as you can see, I'm also placing it on the tip because there is dip powder on the tip. You do not want craters. You do not want to mess up all of that hard work. And I just tap my nails with the file just to make sure that there are no gummy areas. And again, if there are gummy areas after you tap on with the nail file, go back in with the activator. Go back in and just saturate the nail again with the activator. Now I did pull out my nail drill because at first I was going to use my nail drill, but dip powder nails are so easy to file. I just said I'm just going to hand file it. And these files I got off of Amazon. So you can use your nail drill if you want, but you don't have to. And now these are just the top coats that come with the kit. It was a regular shiny top coat as well as a matte top coat. And y'all, I got this little alcohol spray from the dollar store, and baby, after I do my nails, honey, this is just what I do just to make sure all of the powder and everything is off. I spray that alcohol on my nails and then I scrub them and wipe them down. And of course, y'all, I'm going in with the shiny top coat. Now with this, you don't need a nail lamp because you don't need to cure it. It dries fairly quickly. I'll say give it a minute for it to dry on your nails, but it does dry fairly quickly. You don't need a nail lamp, and it just makes your nails so shiny. Like, y'all, look at the glitter dip powder. Like, look how it's shining. I really love the gel top coats that come in the Azure Beauty powder dip powder kits because they make your nails so shiny, and you don't need a lamp to cure them at all. And I am not a pink girl, but I must say that this pink set is so pretty. The glitter is absolutely gorgeous, and no, it does not feel chunky on the nails. Y'all, I absolutely love this set. Azure Beauty has the best dip nail sets, I swear. Like, I'm willing to go to bat by saying that Azure Beauty has the best dip powder sets on the market. So make sure that you hit it up. Get this. I will leave the link down below in the description box for this particular set so that you guys can get you one too and have your nails popping like mine. I want to say thank y'all for coming through and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join this here tribe. And make sure that you go down in the description box and get you some dip powder nail kits from Azure Beauty. Not just this one. Look at all the other colors that they got and get those as well. Okay. Bye.
Looking at your body, Goddess Aphrodite.